Welcome! In front of me I have Acme ACT304 smart band, and I'm gonna show you how to enable the phone notifications for this band on the Android phone. Before we start, your smart band needs to be paired with a phone via the VeryFit Pro application. Once the devices are paired, we can continue and open the VeryFit Pro application on our phone. In the application, you can tap on device and wait until your band is done syncing with your phone. You have the progression of the syncing right here on the home page at the top. Once it's done and you tap on the device icon, you should see the device page for your ACT304. On this page, we have call alert and SNS alert. If you want to get alerted about the calls, tap on the call alert, tap on the switch, and then allow required permissions for it to work. And once you enable it, you can also set the delay. So basically you can delay the alert on your band. So if somebody calls you on your phone and you set the delay to 10 seconds, the band will vibrate 10 seconds after you receive the call on your phone. And once you're done setting up your call alerts, you can press the check mark right here in the top right corner to confirm. As you can see, now it's enabled. Next, we have SNS alert. And if you tap on this option and you don't have the notification access allowed for the VeryFit Pro application, so it's gonna redirect you to the notification access. Here you need to scroll down, find the VeryFit Pro on the list, tap on it, tap on the switch, tap on allow, and once it's allowed, you can go back, and now you can enable the allow notifications option right here. And you can enable a couple of things like calendar notifications, email notifications, SMS, and Facebook. Once you enable those things, you can press on the check mark to confirm. And now you should be able to receive the notifications about the calls, SMS, calendar, events notifications, and email notifications. Also Facebook. And once you're done, you can simply close the app. And that's how you enable the phone notifications for this smart band on the Android phone. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving a like on the video.